Hi, my name is Blair Lehman, Product Service Manager at Komatsu. In this episode of instructional videos on hydraulic breakers, I'll provide 8 rules to consider on your hydraulic breaker. Number 1, avoid blank firing as best you can. Blank firing happens when there is no object or material to accept the force of the breaker after firing. The shock waves bounce back up the tool, causing extensive wear and tear to the tool and other breaker components. To prevent blank firing, stop the breaker before the material separates. Number 2, use a breaker only for activities for which it was designed. Not all breakers are designed to maneuver rocks, so check with your manufacturer. Breakers with this capacity are normally fitted with a rock hook or a protective structure around the chuck housing. Number 3, do not use the tool or breaker to lift or pry. It's dangerous and can cause damage to the breaker, tool, and bushings. Number 4, do not allow the excavator cylinders to reach the end of their stroke. They will not tolerate the breaker vibrations in this position. Number 5, in cold weather, always warm up your equipment properly before operating. During extremely low temperatures, store the breaker inside. Number 6, move the tool to new positions often. This helps avoid the powder that can build up under the tool and dampen the shock wave traveling into the material. Number 7, never let the breaker strike on the same spot for more than 15 seconds. Working in one spot too long causes heat buildup in the tool, resulting in loss of tool strength and wear resistance. Number 8, do not immerse the breaker in water or mud to a depth at which the tool is not visible. Contact your dealer for underwater requirements so that your breaker can be equipped with an air pressurization kit. To see more in this series on hydraulic breaker videos, visit us at komatsu.com.